Hello, this is Max here, and Zoe also. Zoe.
Hi guys.
So, our first activity, we're going to be playing with the Shopkins Vending machine. Let's get all of those Shopkins out. Oh, geez.
We have a lot of Shopkins.
First one, we're starting with this here. This heel.
It's a ballet shoe.
First, we're starting off with this ballet shoe. What is her name?
They don't have names.
Oh, so we've got two ballet shoes.
So we have pairs.
Next one looks like toast and jelly on it. This one is a dress. This one looks like a piano.
There's a piano. We have pianos.
This is a crown. A TV. Looks like a peach.
Soda.
Looks like soda. Purse. Boots. Popcorn. Ice cream sundae. Makeup. Shoes. Heels. Spaghetti and meatballs. Another shoe and okay, we are gonna order one. We are gonna order one from the vending machine. What? Okay. The one I get is a shoe. I get it, the shoe.
Do you want me to try and do something? Did you hold the camera? No. Do this. Ready?
So,
Okay. Put the shoe in there. I got a piano. See that?
okay, let's eat that.
Don't put that in your mouth.
Okay. Okay.
Say bye. Bye, guys.
Bye.